All right, guys, Mental Health Mondays. That's what today is. Hello, everyone. My name is Sam Spataro. For those of you who are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It'll allow you to be part of this community where I teach people how to retrain that villain in us all and turn it into a superpower so we can fuel you to the life that you have always wished to have. Maybe it'll fuel you to your purpose. Maybe it'll help you heal some things of the past. Maybe it'll create more wealth, a better relationship. Maybe it'll become a better father, mother, a son, whatever it might be. Either way, you will find a way to turn all those things within you that aren't helping you into a renewed superpower. And so today's video is going to be dedicated to Mental Health Mondays. I don't know how to edit in to get those special effects, so that is going to have to do. And so today is Monday. And what I want you to do if you want to bring about a better week is make Mondays the day where you set goals for every other day that's coming on for the rest of the week. And maybe let's just, for now, keep it to Friday. Forget about Saturday and Sunday. Let's just talk about planning the next 4 days where every day you're doing some form of physical activity. You're planning in eating healthy and what that looks like. You're also finding ways to take on new adventure that can cause a lot of growth to get you outside of your comfort zone. Maybe you're looking to create some more wealth in your business, maybe in your portfolio, or maybe you're looking to get that dream job and you're tired of being stagnant at where you are. And so let's make this moment here, right now, the time where we plan in something for every day that's coming from today on, of a way where we can fuel our lives to more progress. You see, progress fuels us because it creates about action and a discipline us all that makes us feel like the success is just a little bit more of a reality. And so this is really, really important. This is one thing that has really helped me in my life when I overcame my mental health struggles with anxiety and panic attacks, the loss of a best friend, maybe some things about being in a relationship that I didn't understand, even having businesses and having no prior business experience and kind of learning on the fly. Whatever it is that maybe you're going through, what I want you to do is I want you to take just 5 minutes today, right after this video, and I want you to write down some things that you can put in for the rest of the week that'll make you feel like you've had some wins. And so one thing I really want to be clear about as to why people don't achieve the big goals is because along the way, there's going to be a lot of little goals that we're going to need to reach for. And what happens is a lot of the times when we reach for those goals, we don't really plan a thought process of rewarding ourselves. And I don't mean go out and buy yourself a car, go on a trip. If that floats your boat, by all means. But I'm talking about self-gratitude, self-appreciation, self-compassion, self-kindness. Treat yourself like you treat your child or your partner or a colleague if they achieve some success, because this is really a formula for success, because it's like you're giving yourself a pat on the back for doing a good job and pushing through and maybe stopping some procrastination. Whatever it is that it might be that you're going through, you're about to embark on, I want to make sure that as you progress to Friday, you recap all the things you've done, even if they're just the littlest of things. And I want you to be very clear on how you're going to reward yourself. It might be to go for an ice cream, maybe spend some time with some friends, go for an ATV ride, a bike ride, whatever it might be. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you're very clear on rewarding yourself for creating new patterns for success. There's nothing worse than being your own worst critic. You really need to learn to become your own best friend. And that's part of the journey of becoming your own hero, is you being conscious of fueling yourself to your destination and not beating yourself up along the way, but while having a real talk. And so I want to end on that note. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button and the notification bell, as that will let you know the next time I do a video. The like button, well, that'll let YouTube know that people are enjoying my content, and I would appreciate your help in growing this channel and making a difference in people's lives. And please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be part of this community, and leave a question below, or maybe something that you do every day. It's a success pattern, a habit, some sort of self-affirmation that you do on a daily basis that helps you to progress towards your goals. And so I'm rooting for you. If you're not rooting for yourself today, I want to be your friend. Let's both learn how to be the best versions of ourselves by becoming your own hero and turning that nasty villain in us all, which is just learned, and turning it around and making it a superpower. And so, like I end every one of my videos, if you're new, with the same content that I tell my kids before they sleep at night, that if you are going to dream today or tonight or even tomorrow, make sure that you dream big and always make sure that you keep smiling.